Are you drifting like a boat on the ocean without a course to follow or a rudder? Passing the PMP exam, that's only half of the equation. The application, scheduling the exam, then taking the exam itself. For too many qualified candidates, this is where progress stalls out. Project Success Academy built the PMP Finisher Sprint program to close that gap for any candidate, regardless of where you actually took your training. Here's why this works. PMI now mandates the identical same core training across every PMP exam prep provider. So no matter where you completed your training, you already meet the 35-hour standard. There's no need to start over. What you need is a direct path to completion. The PMP Finisher Sprint program delivers exactly that. Expert guidance through the application process, structured exam scheduling, focused, targeted preparation to get you exam ready. At Project Success Academy, our instructors have guided thousands of candidates through every step of PMP credentialing. Your training already qualifies you. We'll take you the rest of the way. Visit projectsuccessacademy.com. Enroll in the PMP Finisher program today.